How to select a suitable MGate. This is the MGate portfolio.
Wow, the MGate portfolio offers an incredible range of models. Why are there so many MGate series? What's the difference between these products? Which one is suitable for my needs? How do I select the right MGate?
Don't worry, there are 2 selection tools that can help you.
What are these tools and where can I find them?
The first tool is an online tool, the MGate Selector. The first step is to open Moxa's official website, then select Products in the bar. Select Protocol Gateways. You can see the selector on the left. The second tool is an offline PDF, the Selection Table. Select Products in the bar, select Protocol Gateways under Industrial Edge Connectivity, select Selection Table and download it.
How do I use the selection tool?
It's easy. You just need to consider the following questions. What are the devices on both sides? For example, device A might be SCADA or PLC, and device B might be meters, switches, or remote IOs. And you also need to ask what protocols they support. Another question is, what is the role of the devices on both sides? What is the definition of roles? In Modbus protocol, the client is responsible for sending requests and the server is responsible for responding. Different protocols use different terminology, but the underlying principle remains the same. This table provides a reference. Here is a scenario from a customer. I need to do the power monitoring in the data center, and I use the SCADA to collect the data from meters. SCADA is running on Modbus TCP protocol, and the meters are running on Modbus RTU protocol. When using the online MGate selector, select Modbus TCP client in the field or device A. Select Modbus RTU server in the field of device B. Finally, check the search results to find suitable MGate models. When using the offline MGate selection table for the same scenario, find the Modbus TCP client in the column of device A and the Modbus RTU server in the column of device B. Finally, the intersection shows the suitable MGate models.
Okay, great. Thanks very much. So you can either use the online selector or the PDF selection table.
Yes, that's right. You just need to add in your requirements such as the protocols and the roles of the devices on both sides to find the suitable MGate series.